of General Alonda. He died in similar circumstances, in sleep, in traveling. This also came, we were shocked because we had seen, for instance, this late Mutende here on Friday.
We don't know what is happening, sincerely. Losing such important people at this critical time when you are going for the 2016 elections, it is really very, very bad.
It's a big blow to all of us, and it's an irrepressible loss. And the timing could not have been worse. We've just lost General Ronda, and now we have lost Mutende.